Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, we have to enter our contact list, so you can obviously do it using the contact icon or using the dialer. Just tap on this icon right here. As you can see here, we've got our contact list, so simply find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And choose this edit icon right in the middle. Now let's tap on this camera icon right here, and right now you can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or we can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick to choose a photo, and here we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so we can use our own photos, our own gallery, or the Google Photos, but I will pick our photos. So let's scroll in order to find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the position and the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So just position it like you want to. Here you can rotate it also, so as I said, it's really up to you how you want to set it. If you're happy with your choice with the results, just tap on done, and remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. As you can see, it has been successfully applied to our contact, so after getting back you will be able to see it on the contact list, and it will be also visible whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.